Hi everyone, in this video, we are going to explain to you how the point load test is done. But firstly, let me introduce you to our group members. We have 5, which number 1 is Nurul Iman, and the only guy is Afiz Jul, Nor Shahida, Nora Shikin, and yes, that's me, Zulaika. So I'm going to explain to you guys for the introduction and objectives of point load test. Introduction of point load test. Point load test is carried out on core rock specimens or irregular rock fragments to obtain the point load strength index and unconfined compressive strength. Other than that, this test does not require costly specimen preparation and is a quick, simple test. For objective, the purpose of an irregular lump test is to evaluate the compressive strength of rock specimens.
Point load test apparatus. First, we have to prepare and label the sample A, sample B, and also the sample C. From the machine, we got hydraulic pump, and then hydraulic cylinder with conical piston, and also the base plate.
The specimen is positioned between the conical platens. The platens are then closed to make contact. The distance dE between the points of contact is read on the scale. The load is increased such that failure occurs within 10 to 60 seconds, and the failure load P is read and recorded.
These are the data collected from the test. We get the W1 value, W2, D, and load as per shown. To determine approximation of UCS value, there are some calculations need to be done. First, we need to find the cross-section area. The formula is W times with T. Next, we need to find equivalent core diameter. The formula is 4 times A divided by pi, then we get the dE2. Next, the size of correction factor F. The formula is dE divided by 50, and we need to times with the power of 0.45. After that, we need to find uncorrected point load strengths. The formula is P divided by dE square, or equivalent core diameter. Next, we need to find the point load strength, or IS50. The formula is size of correction factor will times with uncorrected point load strength. And lastly, after we calculate all the data, we will calculate the approximation of UCS value. The formula is 23 will times with IS50, and we will get the answer. This is the data after we calculate all the calculation of all tests.
Hi, my name is Iman and I will be discussing the result of the point load experiment. From the result and calculation, we can conclude that sample 1 is a very high strength rock, while sample 2 and 3 is just a high strength rock. Then the largest load applied was 15.54 kN, while the smallest load applied was 7.08 kN. Sample 2 has the highest UCS value among the 3 samples, which is 152.61 kN, while sample 1 and sample 3 has the UCS value of 122.07 kN and 95.86 kN respectively. As for the conclusion, we can conclude that the objective of the experiment was achieved as we managed to obtain the rock strength through determining the tensile strength. The smaller the sample of rock, the more it can sustain the load and stresses.